So the procedure for operating this machine is first connect in the one-phase power supply, electric power supply, and then connect in the compressed air. Compressed air here. As long as the air pressure is more than 0.4 megapascal, it will be okay. This is push it to leftward to off, and then push it to rightward to on this compressed air. And then you thread the nickel rods through these holes and push on the positioning cylinder to press this roller for pulling, and then push on this cutter cylinder, the scissor cylinder, for cutting the length, cutting the extra length of the nickel, and then load the cells. And then you switch to auto mode here, this manual and auto mode, and then you press reset the machine to reset all the cylinders to their home positions. And then you press start. The machine will then auto run.